they say the system is working, the system is working.
I am super glad that Nigerians have now realized that the law is working in Ghana. Now, them they talk with their own mouths, guys. After something happened in Ghana, now Nigerians have realized that the law is working in Ghana. See, Ghanaian government no they wait for anybody. If you like, make you get money, let the money be flowing like water, like River Jordan. Make I tell you. They could bring you down so long as you commit crime. If you do waiting no good, they could bring you down. Now they don't know, say, Ghana no be Nigerians, mate, make I tell you. The law is working in Ghana. And I'm super excited that this word is coming from the mouth of Nigerians. I thought I was the only person that have been like, that is thinking that way or that is putting Ghana on that lane. I don't know, say, Nigerians too don't start to they follow, they talk things like this about Ghana, guys. Let's take a look at this video. Yes, how Nigerians reacted to that thing. Yeah, I don't want to say it because I want you to watch it for yourself and see with your korokoro eyes, guys. Let's get right into it. And at the end of it, I would love you to drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's watch.
One military guy go beat people yesterday. He beat one pharmacy attendant, beat one girl for inside the pharmacy for Ghana yesterday. This morning, they go arrest the military person. And the military person, not be small person, no, now big military person, no, not be those when they say, hey, asem ni pay nipa, nipa na pay asem ni pay nipa, nipa na pay asem. You see, this is country when they work, now be this. You know, big military, Nigeria, if Nigeria, now you go just hear, Chansa! That girl, when they beat, so they go arrest that girl, join. Because why? They get talk to senior officer, say you don't have rights to talk to senior officer. Who do you think you are? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? But yeah, they arrest the guy. That Ghana go lose the work. They go come out from police. Another news again. One Ghana police too shoots in girlfriend. The police sentence them to death. They say they take the police life. Police. No be last corporal. No be those corporal police when they just start police. No, it's on a senior officer too. The sentence, Baba Ghana law the work. See the video. Assembly pay nipa now they blow. You see? Ah God, the law for this country. If we get this kind of law, all these kind of people, if we get it for Nigeria like two, Nigeria go good though. I swear. If we get this kind of people like two, when they settle Nigeria, the law they work like this. I say Nigeria. Now let Nigeria now PA they get PA. They get PA. So they call the PA to PA. PA to PA. If you touch Nigeria big man, security, you don't die. If you the Nigeria's big man, security, you just touch as much. Do you know who my guy is? Yeah, honorable. Say, yeah, sure, sir. They say, put him in jail, lock him up. Who is his father? The one that you see your partner, oh, maybe your partner connected to Tinubu, they say, oh, okay, now we. But if your partner get money, you no be anybody. You go to jail. Nigeria police will let they shoot you. No, you go die. They don't say you don't die. Government go come say, oh, Liba is nobody. -1. On have too plenty for the country. Sir. If they keep us for Nigeria na Thanksgiving, if mistake say they just on a life person via, they say Thanksgiving. They don't put their PCF say -1. But Ghana, God, this was too sweet me. Assembly pay nipa na pay asem. Assembly pay nipa na pay. That somebody say make a come for this country. I die here. Me go be. Mini be yako. Oh, mini be yako. Assembly mini ko. Answer no message on mini ko. Oh, mini be yako. Aye. Also mini be yako. I come na say mini ko. Anko no mini say mini ko. Me sumi o.
Tano mema fa chronicle da obokra tano na krata fa to so miensa. Wode asem bi ababeto ase chronicle akwakote asem bi a wode ababeto dwa enti we ahweyia na wose Ghana titiu ni empanimfo Nigeriafo no womo efre no ogborofo no womo enye ahweyie papapa esanse senkade we yi a me beka ho asem senko mutumi ye yi anka ya so be yepa ya attention no nka ebe divert. Na wey ena chronicle we ba amane se ya chi Nigeria de hye mienu ye de o makopie mu Accra Circuit Court ye de o ekoye no kwadu a ye de bo wo mo ene se wo mo e ba Ghana memu ha sei aba be kidnap wo mo be kye nkrofo no mo de wo mo akọ Niger Delta no so si enim se eho ye wo nipa bi ewo ho a wo mo ye atuate dom ewo saa empotamu ho ewo Nigeria man ni mo yesi wo mo ye enkane no mo na ye adwuma ena wo mo abo wo mo tiri mo pose wo mo baga na man mu ha sei no mo be kidnap wo mo ensemu bio mo ye nim wo mo ogborofo no na yasan ahwenya ogborofo no nko ase obi a owo din obi a ofiri oman foforo mu na wabepie mu Ghana man mu ha sei na omo tu no de okoshe wo wi a ekwan a omo befa so afre wabusuafo na wo mo di sika aba ansa na ye gya wo no eno ene wo mo etiri mu po a wo no eboye na chronicle da oboka ta kire se enipa mieni yati obi a ye friend Joseph Howell wanya emfihie bia 9 years 43 years what chesa a private security officer ana ba ko so ye friend Japheth Graham o emfihie duonum miensa 53 years ono so chesa o ye businessman na enipa mienu a ye do omukopie mu wo court no he ana Susana Edufo ana wotena ase opanyina wo bo wo mu kwa adu awo court ho no wo kire se we aye chief inspector Jacob Malo Kubal oye esquire oye posinier oye lawyer na asem ni nkire mu nyina ani wo kire se aposifo eye ebobo so me kire September ini da na etoso nsia ana Nigeria aposifo intelligence unit won Interpol wo mo efre Ghana aposifo ka kire wo mo se yenuanom se de ye ne mu di kasobom ewo ebibrem ha sei no asem se ni atie ene se ya de hie bi abo madwene mu po se wo mo eba Ghana ha sei wo ma be kyeche ogborofo no wo mo kye se Nigeria fo no mo ka se obi ye ogborobo na kye se nipa kro no wo sika pa obi a ni nsem obi a oye odefo enti wo mo ba no ma ba be kyeche saa enipa bi high profile individuals na wo mo de wo mo afa border no so saa no mo de wo makwa kopie mu ewo Niger Delta no so na ho ne de omunya duru e yo mo ankasa wo mo territory na se ba bia wo ma bo mo sesen nti kwan obefa so abeba abaji wo mo ne se agi so odi sika ba na wo mo ahwe agya nipa kono de amount na bra wo mo fra Ghana posifo no na wo mo che se sa nipa wo mo susu se wo mo ye Nigeria fo ndi wo mo nim so wo ye Nigeria fo na emom wo mo susu se Ghana ha sei wo mo ba no ma ba bedi bone na de ekokoye nie wo mo che se sa enipa yi wo mo ye Nigeria de hye wo mo ebi baako Lagos baako ewo Ondo State na baako Delta River sa nipa miense ya wo mo kasa wo telephone so e ma wonom eteye no ye fe baako Matthew wo na wo Lagos no na baako de eye Smart Christmas Alfred ono na wo Ondo State na baako so de Adusa Ayile wono ewo Delta River na wo mo frɛ obi e frɛ no Tari Tiemo ono wo Ghana ha sei wono ne Nigeria fo no na ekasa nti wono de yese owo aflawo eho ana wo oni omo di nkomo ka kire omo se wo mo be ma sa nipa miensen obi a ebenya 1.5 million naira na guess what ye de ba Ghana scam no 20,000 Ghana cedis to omo je 20,000 Ghana cedis no mo de ama omo busuafo e wo Nigeria ho no ma ba Ghana ha sei aba ba ye sa adwuma na cheche nkofo e de wonom akọ afei wo mo kasa no wo mo bo mo tiri mo pose wo mo the speed boats na ebeba Ghana ha nti enye se bia wo mo fa plane na wo mo nante da bia na wo mo de car na eba wo mo de ombefa empona no saa no na wo mo aba beduru na wo mo kire se da bia wo mo ba wo mo hwe so ombehwe yen ya posifo no ana se soja wo se ye wo asojafo mo wo nsuo mo wo se ye aposifo wo ombehwe security uniform na omo de abanti so security uniform de no wo ba wo bia che no kaso ebi oyo posini ya no oyo soja ni a enya de a wo bia ebebi so omo questions bebre na ka omo de ababe wura omanyimu na eno na intelligence no wo mo eka ho asem e de kire Ghana posifo e bobo so me da etoso nsia ene ye ho na posifo boabo mo no so okay enipa no ye frɛ no tiemu no Tari tiemu no wo mo be hwehwe ne kira kwan ena wo mo intelligence no wo mo wurawura mu ana wo mo hu say aflawo no ewo Volta region na wonom behwe nti wo mu tracy course no tiemo no call no why no one Graham no any how no one more akasa and one would be a chia cocoa cheat mono and a tiemono to me a ray yama one chi how Graham no inti say yachi Nigeria for no you and I tell you tiemono or Ghana has say ya or no more a dink it home. Na no na apostle for say Abraham to two send penny no or my days almost say I woman where's you anyway where's so anyway any ebisa almost say a crime ban am fast on be PM or Ghana ha just one man for passo one more effort kwamoneso and woman be PM or Ghana memo has say any ebisa almost say dear bad dear na mobile be or Ghana ha where see I or baba Jimmy Sika at your free team ho tiemono Odiano no a dear business round and was saying I want to back on so security how I so a security person it's in the sika katimbo ho 20,000 1.5 million naira no babaji and a Graham no so say I want so babaji ni sika any business sika no so say one so sika kronwa and I post for say nani sika kronwa ye de na mo nyina mo di sika kronwa na mo wo se babaji no wo fa ho we se so babaji no baabi foforo na ye hwe baabi a na omoda no hotel baako ena no omumienu nyina enso eda ewo Framanta mu ho eho ena omode koso omumuku a sabre wo mo etoto wo ma no wo se ye di kan no omo se wo mo nim wo mo ho afede wo mo nim wo mo ho eti se ye kan wo mo kopie mu ewo court no wo mo anya lawyer ni bia ama na nyina wo mo achi enti wo mo ka se wo mo nifo ena no omo se ye mo beli eno so no ade a court ama kwan eti se ye kasa ye idie ye de wo mo akwakoto kukumu a woguso eye nhwehwemu wo mo ne Nigeria fo no ena wo guso a wo mo ye na nkrofo no wo mo kasa wo Nigeria fo no ewo Nigeria man nim no Nigeria intelligence kyerese wo mo ache sa nkrofo no wo so di nkita ho ewo ho no eti sa abre ye idie sa nipa miensa a wo mo di kan se wo mo eba no wo nya meduru ye eti de ombe kan ne se ya hweye we eye chronicle kratofa a etoso miensa eno de ebae
abusia mo share video we enkoma obia abusia mo share video we enkoma obia because ni suwe ya na asem we no enye hia ni asem enye scan ni asem eyeye nyina asem abusiafo pa ocho obia share video we enko awofo nyina ho enko skafo nyina ho nenko hiafo nenko skani ho abusia makai se mi post video bi wo me page we so guy bi by kasa se anu so wonya skani a obakunu anase wonya obi a woye adwuma wo aban ma obaku sa nipa no no watu ja to ne kamu ana ni na japade mu ana bibia osi o Ghana obeti o ha se yashi aban ajapade we si ana yashi market we yashi ade bi se no enu wonimu hu bi ana me ka se security for menyanti se sa guy no omuchi no ye menyanti ye ana menya hu ye ewo page no so se ya china na ase enti no sankrofo omu se no omu ka enyama bi a esi no sankrofo omu ona eya no aba na aba ye video na o mafko no sankrofo omu se no omu ka sanyama we nyina esi no sankrofo bi omu se no omu ka hu bi mo sankrofo omu se no omu ka hu bi because enu ba na obekase ye so wonya asimesi ose no obaye se ma asimesi ose no enu kan ho bi you see
Nigerians, especially those of you on social media, you live instead of you talking about this your nonsense that is happening in your country and how to solve it. You want to do Ghana and Ghana. Listen,
Nigerians, early this morning, around 5:15 a.m. in the morning. Today's date is 29th of October 2025 and also Wednesday. Early this morning, bandits stormed Na Alma. Na Alma is in Malumfashi local government area of Katsina State. They stormed that place this morning around 5:15 a.m. during Fajr prayer. They unalive people. When I mean unalive people,
Plenty people were unalived. Like they buy people there. They kidnap people. In fact, one person was trying to escape. They caught him and they beheaded him. I'm not telling you not to tell person, and they tell you fact. What happened today, the 29th of October 2025? They beheaded him. Now, listen, the sad part of this thing is that this community, what they tell us so, this now Alma community had a peace deal with bandits last week. They had a peace deal with last week, just last week, and today they hit them this morning. In the morning, they hit them in the morning around 5:15 a.m. Go and verify. Nobody will tell you. No media will tell you this, but you know the story. English Alhaji, they for you. I got your back. If they hide them, I'm going to bring her out. If they hide them, I'm going to bring her out. No media will tell you. Nigerians, peace deal, no they work. As in peace deal is, I'm trying to get the image of that man that was beheaded. If I get the image, I'll post it in my Telegram. I'll post the image in my Telegram. So if you don't have my Telegram, you need to go to the comment section and you'll get my Telegram link there. I said they beheaded that man. One man that was trying to escape, they caught him and beheaded him. Others were killed. That is, they unalived people. But no media will tell you. The media will not tell you this. You know the story. They will not tell you. But I'm telling you, if they hide them, me, I'm going to bring her out. You know the story. If they hide them, me, English Alhaji, will they bring her out? I'm going to bring her out. No media will tell you this. Go and verify. You don't understand? Go verify. It happened this morning. Will be the 29th of October 2025. You know the story. I can't live here without telling the federal government of bandits to forsake. Let them go there and be looking for who to arrest. DSS be arresting people. See them. See what is happening to Nigerians. So these ones never do the ones when I feel track them arrest. But if we talk, when I will arrest us. Forsake.